Ladies and gentlemen, dear customers, as you are probably well aware, the corona crisis has resulted in the cancellation of many industrial fairs this year. This is why we are currently unable to present our latest developments as we have done before. We have therefore decided to present our latest innovations as part of the iXperience Days right here online. You will of course have an opportunity for a one-on-one follow-up afterwards. To that end, we are very much looking forward to your visit to our iXperience Days live event in the Reichenbach. Today, we will present to you the second generation of our Traub TNL12 sliding headstock automatic lathe for the very first time. Its extremely compact design features 4 independent tool holders and offers entirely new possibilities in terms of productivity and precision. The new Index MS246 multi-spindle CNC lathe replaces the MS226 and offers more configuration freedom and significantly improved performance. Our Index G400 rounds out the Model 400 performance class with up to 3 turrets, all featuring a Y-axis and motor-driven tools. We now also offer the G400 and the G420 in a 2300mm lathe length. In the area of automation, we are proud to present to you the largest representative of the Index X Center family. You see it here in combination with the new G400. In recent years, we have single-mindedly concentrated on our own developments and in-house automation competence to ensure that we can offer you complete production solutions. The introduction of our Traub TNA 500 rounds out our portfolio of high-performance, universal lathes. The TNA model series with optional counter spindle or workpiece removal handling now offers an enhanced option spectrum for many different requirements. Last, but by no means least, we would like to complete our presentation with the latest features of X-World. Machine connectivity with the X 4.0 platform ensures a significantly improved degree of machine utilization by way of transparency and a variety of new functions. In short, there is plenty for you to look forward to in terms of innovations and plenty of more in-depth information at our live event, iXperience Days, taking place October 12th through 16th in Reichenbach. We are looking forward to hosting you.